Silent Sea was born from a feeling, that quiet moment when you stand by the ocean, listening to the waves, breathing in the salty air, and feeling completely at peace. That stillness, that beauty, is what I wanted to capture.
Hi everyone, I am Cristina Radovan and I am so excited to introduce my new collection with the Stamperia, Silent Sea.
Silent Sea is made for those who love soft textures, gentle colors, and the magic of storytelling through art. Every detail has been carefully designed to bring that sense of calm and wonder into your creative projects. Silent Sea is not just about papers and embellishments. It's about emotion, memories, and finding beauty in simplicity. Whether you love scrapbooking, mixed media, or just creating with your heart, this collection is an invitation to slow down, to dream, and to create something really special. I can't wait for you to experience Silent Sea and see where it takes you.